Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about rock buns, which are a type of Ghanaian scone. They're delicious and found all over Ghana. To start, I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour to my bowl, and I'm going to add 1 stick of salted butter. You can use unsalted butter if you like, but this is just what I happen to have at home. And I softened it by placing it on my kitchen counter for about an hour or so. I'm using my fingers to mix the butter into the flour because my fingers are my best kitchen tools. And I just want to mix until I get a nice grainy consistency like this. Next, I'm adding 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder to my flour mix, and I'm just going to stir really well. And then I'm going to add 1 large beaten egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm using bourbon vanilla extract because I really like the smell of bourbon in my baked goods, but you can use any kind of extract that you want. You can use orange, lemon, almond, whatever you choose. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk to this and stir really well with my fingers again until I get a nice pasty consistency. And then I'm going to put them into these really pretty baking tins here. But before I do that, I'm going to spray the tins down with baking spray that has flour already in it. And I'm going to pat some of the dough into the tin cups here. And if you're doing this like drop style cookies, then you just need to place the dough by the spoonful onto parchment lined cookie sheets and you're good to go. I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees, so I'm going to bake this for about 25 minutes or so. And when it comes out, it's going to be really crunchy on the outside and moist on the inside. And that's it. I'm going to enjoy mine with a cup of rooibos tea. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.